everybody, and welcome to our lesson number 6 of Spanish definite articles. I hope you are going through all our lessons and learning step by step Spanish with us. And if not, please go and check out all our videos and learn Spanish with us. And this lesson will help you understand the importance of putting definite article and how it will help you in further learning Spanish. Definite article is not only restricted to one part of the language, it will give you a lot of additions in grammar and will make your grammar easier in Spanish. So, answer one question. Do you know what definite article is in English? Please tell us in the comment section below. We will be waiting for your answers. Till then, let me address what is definite article. Definite article in English is the. The definite article is very specific in nature and defines the noun to be more specific and tell you better and answer your all W questions. As in my last video, I had told you about indefinite articles where any of your W questions were not answered. But when you use definite articles, it will tell you very specific things about the noun. Example, this is a book. So nothing specified, it is a book, doesn't answer your questions. But this is the French book, it will answer your question. I hope the definition of definite article in English is much clearer now and we can start with our lesson. So, are you guys ready? Definite articles in Spanish are divided into 4 categories. As we have already seen in the indefinite articles, I hope you guys might be expecting the same. So, it is masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, feminine plural. Let's revise the grammar concept that we have already done. So, any word ending with an O is a masculine word in Spanish and any word ending with an A is a feminine word in Spanish. There are always exceptions to any rule, so we always have to keep a 2 to 3% tolerance to this rule as well. There can be words which can be ending with A and O but might not be masculine or feminine. So let's read. Let's get to understand what is definite article in Spanish. El is the masculine singular article of definite article of Spanish. Examples are el libro, the book, el vaso, the glass, el camino, the road, el marcador, the marker. And the masculine plural definite article is los. So if we make these into plural, it will be los libros, los colores, los vasos, los niños, los gatos, etc. Books, colors, boys, cats, etc., etc. These words can be put to plural and they are all masculine plural words here in these examples. Then let's get on to the feminine ones. First, feminine singular is la and the examples are La casa, the house. La mesa, la niña. Mesa is table and niña is girl, as it is written here. And next is las, feminine plural article, and it would be las casas, the houses, las letras, the letters, las blusas, the blouses. So, el, las, los, las. Four definite articles according to the gender and singularity or plurality of the noun. So I guess it is a little more clearer to you now. I hope now the concept of definite articles is much more clearer for each one who's watching our videos. And thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Arey, itna nahi bas. Do press the bell icon for not missing any update. And you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook with the handle name Bloomlingo. And we are signing off for today. Thank you all for watching, and we will come back with some more and exciting videos on languages. Stay tuned.